Are you ready to unveil the secret behind a groundbreaking copy-paste strategy that can skyrocket your earnings to a mind-boggling $24,800 per month? Well, you're in for a treat because today we're diving headfirst into the world of affiliate marketing and revealing a hidden gem exclusively for beginners like you. Forget about complicated strategies and endless trial and error. This is the holy grail of affiliate marketing blueprints, tailor-made for those just starting their journey. And I'll be diving into exactly what you need to know step by step in this video. So be sure to pay close attention right until the end because I don't want you to miss a single important money-making detail. Let's get into it. So, what is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where a company pays a commission to an affiliate for promoting their products or services. Basically, it's a way for people to earn money by promoting other people's products. Affiliate marketing is a win-win for both the company and the affiliate. The company gets exposure to a new audience and only pays a commission when a sale is made, while the affiliate gets to earn money without having to create their own products. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make the most money through affiliate marketing. Step 1. Search for the Lead Pages affiliate program. First things first, grab your trusty Chrome browser and let's get started. Open up a new tab and type in Lead Pages affiliate program in the search bar. Hit enter and like magic, a whole world of opportunity unfolds before your eyes. Click on the official Lead Pages affiliate program website from the search results. Now, why Lead Pages, you ask? Well, it's not just any landing page builder. It's a user-friendly powerhouse that can help you create stunning, high-converting landing pages. And guess what? They have a generous affiliate program with up to 50% commissions, and they even offer recurring commissions. That means you can earn commissions month after month as long as your referrals remain active users. Pretty cool, right? Once you land on the Lead Pages website, take a moment to explore all the fantastic features and benefits they offer. You'll quickly realize why it's a go-to tool for marketers and entrepreneurs looking to improve their online presence. From customizable templates to seamless integrations and advanced analytics, Lead Pages has got you covered. Step 2. Join the Lead Pages affiliate program. Now that you've discovered the Lead Pages affiliate program and learned all about its fantastic features and benefits, it's time to take the next step and join the program as an affiliate. In this step, we'll show you how to sign up for the program and become an official Lead Pages affiliate. Once you're on the Lead Pages affiliate program website, look for a big purple button that says Apply Now, and a new tab will appear guiding you through the sign-up process. This process is straightforward and can be completed within a few minutes. The first step is to submit an application. This step requires you to fill out some basic information about yourself, such as your name, email address, website URL, and the country you're in. Once you're approved, Lead Pages will send you everything you need to get started and make the most out of the program. This can include promotional materials, banners, links, and more. So it's really important to read and follow all the instructions given by Lead Pages carefully. Now, the best part, earning lifetime commissions. As a Lead Pages affiliate, you'll earn commissions month after month, year after year, as long as your referrals remain active users. That means you can build a steady stream of passive income without lifting a finger once your referral base is established. After reviewing the sign-up process and understanding the benefits of being a Lead Pages affiliate, it's time to fill out your application. Follow the prompts and fill out the necessary details about yourself and your website. Make sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information, as this will be important to your success as an affiliate. Once you've completed the application, double-check your information and hit the Submit Application button. The Lead Pages team will typically approve your application within 1 business day, so keep an eye on your email for updates. Step 3. Promote Lead Pages. Okay, so now that you have your affiliate account all set up, you should also have an affiliate link which will track any sales back to you so you can earn a commission. Let's say you have 5,000 people visit your affiliate page and only 2% of them decide to buy Lead Pages. That means you'll have 250 people purchasing the service through your affiliate link. Each sale earns you $100 in recurring commissions, so 250 sales at $100 each amounts to $25,000 per month in commission payments. Of course, these numbers are just estimates, and your actual earnings will depend on loads of different factors, such as your promotional tactics, audience engagement, and the quality of your content. However, by following the steps we've outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to earning a really good income as a Lead Pages affiliate. So now, you must be wondering how you can promote Lead Pages. Well, this is where Reddit comes in. Reddit is a massive online community where people come to ask questions, share information, and connect with others who share their interests. With millions of active users, it's an excellent platform for promoting your affiliate link and reaching a large audience. But how exactly do you go about promoting your affiliate link on Reddit? It all starts with finding the right subreddits. These are specialized communities within the larger Reddit website that focus on specific topics. For example, if you're promoting Lead Pages, you might want to look for subreddits related to marketing, entrepreneurship, or online business. Step 4. Reply to questions on Reddit. Alright, now it's time to head over to Reddit and use its search bar to find some posts and questions related to landing page builders. Simply type in "what is the best landing page builder" and you should be presented with a bunch of results. This is your chance to share your knowledge and expertise while also promoting your affiliate link. To make things even easier, you can use the help of a chatbot like ChatGPT. Chatbots are cool because they use artificial intelligence to understand questions and provide helpful answers. So with ChatGPT by your side, you can quickly provide valuable information to people who are in need of advice on landing page builders. Now, when it comes to replying to questions on Reddit, it's important to be genuine and genuinely helpful. Don't just spam your affiliate link everywhere you can. Instead, focus on providing valuable answers that truly address the questions being asked. And hey, if you can offer some extra information that helps the person make an informed decision, go for it. Of course, there will be situations where it makes perfect sense to include your affiliate link in your response. Let's say someone is seeking a recommendation for a landing page builder. In that case, you can confidently suggest Lead Pages as a fantastic option. And of course, include your affiliate link. By doing this, you increase the chances that the person will click on your link, explore Lead Pages, and potentially make a purchase. When you're out there promoting your affiliate link on Reddit, it's super important to remember that your responses have the potential to reach a massive audience. It's not just the person who asked the initial question who will see what you have to say, but also many others who stumble on the thread. So even if the original person who has asked the question doesn't end up clicking on your affiliate link, there's still a chance that someone else who reads your response might be intrigued by your valuable insights and decide to give your link a little click. That's why it's all about providing genuine value and being helpful in your response, regardless of whether the person who asked the question ultimately makes a purchase or not. By sharing your expertise, offering advice, and going the extra mile to deliver valuable information, you're not only helping the person who asked the question, but also creating an opportunity to catch the interest of others who come across your response. It's not just about making a quick sale on Reddit. When you're promoting your affiliate link, your goal should be to establish yourself as an expert in your field. That means taking the time to craft thoughtful and informative responses to questions, rather than just spamming your link everywhere. By doing this, you can build trust with your audience and increase the likelihood that they'll click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. Remember, it's not just about the immediate commission, but also about the long-term growth of your business. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible.